Today you're going to make an open loop program for your NXT robot. So once you open up the program from the Windows Start menu and you can start writing NXT and the program should pop up, you'll come to this screen where you need to give your program a name. So just use either your team name or some recognizable name. So right now, this is our start area, and you're going to click and drag these program blocks down in here. So we've got move, record or play, sound, display, that means on the robot screen, a weight based on sensors, loops, and switches, which we aren't likely to use. So today's program is going to be a series of movements, a series of straights and turns. So it's showing on the block that both motors C and B are going to move. They're moving in a forward direction. The power is about 75, and it's going to go based on rotations. On the bottom of the screen, it gives you the options that you can change. So you can make only one motor move. You can make them go backwards or tell a motor to stop altogether. And I usually like to go by rotations, but you could change it to degrees or moving for seconds or moving forever. For this project, we're going to do rotations because you're counting the rotations of the motor turning. So this is going to be a combination of straights and turns. So right now it's having both motors move, but if you want to turn, you could just have one of those motors move. So I'm going to uncheck C. And so B is the only motor that's going to move, maybe for one rotation. And you can change this to 1.1, 1.2, whatever it is you need. You can have a half. So decimals are allowed. And you continue going back and forth. And that's how you're going to do that. In the lower right-hand corner, you can't really see in this video, but there's going to be a little block for you to upload your program onto the NXT robot. You're going to want to choose the lower left-hand side where it just downloads. There's another option where it can download and start, but that might scare you or it might end up going off the table. So just choose download. Your robot will make a little noise, and that tells you that it's ready to try. So as you go, you may need to click back on the blocks, changing on the bottom how they work, and then you should be ready to go. Call me over when your team has accomplished the project. Remember that there is a bonus, or part of the grade is actually for the flourish at the end. So you can choose to have it display something, say something, do a combination of sounds and a little dance or a spin. That is up to your own creativity. Okay, good luck.